Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sainte-Marthe-Sur-le-Lac local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need to hire a cheap Sainte-Marthe-Sur-le-Lac moving company? 3 Movers offers the local and long-distance moving services you need to save time and energy. Our team will make sure you get moved into your new home, business location, dorm room, or any other location fast. We know how to handle all types of moves, including commercial and residential moves. Our team of long-distance movers will make sure you get the help you need for your move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to move across the country or to the next city over, we can make it happen for you. Our long-distance moving services cover all moves of 100 miles or further. When you need to move, we can make it easier for you. With a Canada Moving Company, you get a team that will take care of the hard work for you. This not only saves you time and energy, but also protects you from injury or damaged items. 3 Movers offers a streamlined local moving service. We know how to get you settled into your new location faster and easier. Our team will take care of everything for you, including all the heavy lifting. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sainte-Marthe-Sur-le-Lac moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.